Hey, hello! Kembali lagi di channel review figur yang terdepan di Indonesia. Sambil terkadang jalan-jalan, hanya di Beno Arsanto Channel. Hey, hello, back with me Beno in my channel. Today I would like to show you the figures that actually never exist. Why? Because I don't know how I'm ending up getting this figure, because someone already make a pre-order and I don't know from where he get this kind of figure. What kind of figure? And this figure are the pink guy, the pink soldier in blockbuster Netflix Squid Game. So actually if you read this in Google Translate image, you will see this called 1/18 movable action figure, just like that. There is no any evidence that this figure exists except one single promotional figure. They don't even make a marketing or any promotional image. So yeah, if you are curious just like me in getting this figure, you will see all of this review only in my channel Beno Arsanto. From the box we will see there is a simple box with a square, triangle and circle, the symbol, the logo of Squid Game. And you will find on the back of the box there is a cautions box or any choking hazard. It's not suitable for children under 3, and remove, dispose of all packaging and blah 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 blah. There is a warning, but there is no any evidence what kind of the figure inside of this box. This is a simple box. Why there are 3 boxes? Because like the symbol, there is 3 different figures with the square, triangle and circle on their forehead, just like in the movie. Okay guys, I'm just curious as you are, because I've been waiting for this figure for a long time, and now there is the moment of truth. I will open this. I don't know how tall is this actually. You will see in this segment comparison from my video figure, and just let's see, and we will open this one. There's a shield on top and of the bottom of it. This is more like Joy Toy figures, I know. If we open this out, and we will see only a figure with its stance, and this is the circle guardian. We all are agree that this soldier is not a red soldier. They are pink soldier, kind of magenta, and these figures bring that true color. And yeah, he is kind of pinkish and not red. So in terms of paint, it is good, especially on the forehead, because the paint is so clear, there is no missing line, and even the strap got a black paint, the gloves, because actually these figures only consist of 2 color, and 3 is the white on their forehead. I think this one is a one solid figure because it consists of a hard plastic, while the soft plastic one is on the MP5. It's a bent a little bit because it made out from the soft plastic or rubber. Even the palm of the hand consists of made from the hard plastic. even the shoes, the joints, the head. He is a solid figure. For the accessories, we only get 2 accessories. Actually, this one is a stand for the figures and a submachine gun or MP5. Just 2 of them, we consider them as an accessories. Now let's take a look at its articulation. This is a single figures with a good articulation. Not that good, not that joy toy good, but this is we will consider it as a good figures because it has a double jointed or barbell joint for the neck and ball joint on the shoulder, swivel joint for his biceps and ball joint for the elbow, but only swivel joint for the hand, no ball joint, and there is no ball joint on the chest, but he has a swivel joint for his stomach. And for the thigh joint, we will see that it can bend down like this because there is a joint. We can put it down like this and we can swivel it. Yeah, there is a joint on the thigh and double joint on knees, and there is a ball joint on the ankle. He's kind of a tubby guy because yeah, this is actually a jumpsuit. Jumpsuit will make you fatter than you are. Yeah. In terms of sculpting, this is a nice and a decent figure. This is the comparison of this figure with the Joy Toy figure. It's a little bit taller than 10.5 inch. I think this figure is 11 centimeters. They are as tall as Sodo Kamen Rider and little bit same with higher figures such as Marauder or Boss Fights Studios, I think, and they are very good in this size. In conclusion, this is good figure, good with its painting, with its articulation, and the sculpting is quite good. They are in size with modern figures, and as you know that nowadays they already showing the next release of Squid Game figures for the HH figurines, and we are so glad that the 118 collectors got this figure first. And maybe this is still rare figure, but I hope that in the future these figures will be available in your lovely seller. And thank you for watching. That's it for all. If you like my video, you can subscribe or comment anything that you like. Okay? Bye-bye.
Terima kasih sudah menonton. Jangan lupa tonton video aku yang lainnya. Dan jangan lupa untuk di subscribe. Bye-bye.